Naka jingyo jingtip baki don nakapor syakapor ki kam Dawa Pisa haki benta ka Khyndailad bat yaudu ka special cell jong ki bor pulit ka is ka sales ki lapan apsirep haka atruturik risaw arjar pulai bat yo kem Ngut ki briu na Khyndailad katba ki dang ay ki city Dawa Pisa haka way na ki dukan. Halor kan ni ki bor pulit kila ujol mukudoma sumuto hasadar police station naka benta ka kam Dawa Pisa persya ikite ki Ngut. Na kini ki Ngut la yo Kurup iki receipt slip bat ki city Dawa Pisa ka kerteng jong ki Seng bakentup medriu Tylli jong ka Nyautrap People Defense Alliance HPDA mar artili ki receipt slip pan jirap jong ka United Khasi Movement UKM Confederation of Meghalaya People CMP but Federation of Khasi United People FKUP. Nangta ka way ka receipt slip jong ka Khon Nyautrap Youth Council KHYC but artili ki receipt slip pan jirap jong ka Nyautrap Youth Region HYR ka Skuti Aprila ka badon ni registration number ML not san kiu khandai pra arpra but South Lee ki mobile phone. Halor kini ki kam ka Kyrwoh ka Khubon wa Vivek CM SPCT kal ong ba ki pulit ki dang penlong ki jintok get ko bnia ya kini ki brio.
Andy, your wife has been sitting there. She has been ready for a while now. Go for the test.
I'm already watching the test, Mom.
Son, it is important to take this test at the earliest.
Mom, why do we need to rush? What will happen even if we're late to take the test?
Look, son. You see, that is why it is important to reach on time. Go.
Within the first 3 months of pregnancy, it is important for the mother to get tested for HIV in order to prevent the baby from getting infected with HIV, so that the mother and the baby can live a healthy and long life.
Earlier the checkup.
Healthy life confirmed.
Get yourself tested for HIV during your first pregnancy checkup.